6-letter word.
Or a ball-bearing mousetrap.
Tomcat.
Tomcat.
I don't get that.
Got it?
A male cat.
All right. Explain no further. Oh, God.
I still don't get it.
Come on, Lina.
Turn on the air conditioner, please. The heating up in here.
Oh, Lina, come on, you must.
You know when you like a tree bears apples
Yeah.
and a cat
A male
bears
cat
balls.
has balls.
So you got a. He said he wanted a
6-letter
ball-bearing tomcat.
No,
Mouse catcher. Mouse
Tomcat.
Ball-bearing mouse.
Trap.
So if you catch a mouse, you have a ball.
Think of a mouse trap. A cat is a mouse trap, right?
And a tomcat has
catches mouse. Mice.
You're recording this, for God's sakes. Don't do that.
Jerry. Gerald, this is terrible.
Is he
Turn that off. I'm not going to explain any further.
A male cat bears balls.
There's balls.
You're going to have a wet car.
I'm laughing and I don't know why I'm laughing. Because I'm looking at him.
Certain cats of the male species
Our
bear
mouse
balls.
Our mice traps.
So, wait a minute. All cats are mouse traps. All cats, male or female, right?
I don't know.
Well,
You
maybe
turn
we
that
call
off.
them
All
that.
right.
Okay.
They're all mouse traps.
They're all mouse traps. Certain cats, there are two kinds of cats. There's a male cat and a female cat.
Yes,
All
dear.
right.
The male cat,
Linwood
the
Avenue.
female cat bears children, kittens. The male cat
I didn't know
bears
that.
balls. Doesn't he?
A male cat has balls.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
So you can say he bears balls.
Right.
Just like an apple tree bears apples, pear tree bears pears, and a tomcat bears balls. So that kind of a mouse trap is a ball-bearing mouse trap. I got that.
I think I have.
Now she's got it. Now she's got it.
Oh, now you got it?
After an hour of
Hooray!
explanation. Now,